Video intercom, smart home at your door. Xeoma video surveillance. What is a video intercom? It's a modern access control device that allows you to see and communicate with visitors. How does it work? The system automatically recognizes visitors or allows manual identification via the control panel or mobile app, enhancing security. Key benefits: increased security, ease of use, remote access, access control, intelligent capabilities, automation. Types of video intercoms: there are wired video intercoms that are more reliable, but require cabling, and wireless video intercoms available. The latter are easier to install but rely on a stable internet connection. How to choose a video intercom? When choosing a video intercom, consider camera resolution, viewing angle, night vision quality, casing protection, Wi-Fi availability, and smart home integration. Installation recommendations. To install the video intercom, first select locations for the camera and monitor, and determine whether you'll be using a wired or wireless system. Then, install the camera and monitor, connecting wires for wired systems, and protecting the cables with conduit or corrugated pipe. Next, power on the system, configure the settings, and test the image and audio quality. If you're using a wireless system, ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection and connect the camera to the network. Remember to disconnect the power before beginning work, carefully read the instructions, and consult a professional if needed. Expand the capabilities of your video intercom with Xeoma video surveillance software. Xeoma allows you to receive motion alerts, recognize faces and license plates, and create custom automation scenarios. Get a free demo license and let our technical support help you customize the system to your needs.